Om Namah Shivaya. Here we are seeing 100% real, 100% natural oyster pulp collected from the Indian Ocean sea oysters, totally of 42 carat in weight. 100% real, 100% natural, real oyster pearl. Now I will show under light to prove its originality. Under light you can see the originality of pearl. I will show the originality of each pearl. Second pearl, third pearl, fourth pearl, fifth pearl. 100% original, 100% natural, real oyster pearl collected from the Indian Ocean. By having these pearls with you, definitely you will get huge success in your life. It will give huge success in your life. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.